Wanna know how to change your country in Wish? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your web browser and type in wish.com or just open up your application on your mobile. So the steps are pretty much same, so you can follow the same step. So once you're there, make sure you are logged in as well, and on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. So just simply hover on it, and once you have on it here, you should be seeing view profile. Just simply select it, and now once you selected view profile, here you should see edit profile. Just simply select edit profile, and now you can just simply head towards account settings. So make sure you're under account settings and scroll all the way down until you see country right here. So just simply select it, and now you can choose the country that you want from these available countries right here. So once you selected it will be automatically saved, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.